My husband and I recently got the summer cold, the horrible summer cold that everyone's getting. And there is one thing that was so game changer for us during this cold, and I'm going to show it to you and explain why it was so important. And that is my AromaTrue waterless diffuser. So as an aromatherapist, I can tell you that diffusion while you're sick is so powerful because it helps to support your immunity. It helps to open up your lungs and your nasal passages, and it helps to kind of tend to the terrain of that part of your body, and it can also soothe your lungs. But it's so important if you're going to diffuse when you're sick to do it for long periods of time, but intermittently. Why? Because the olfactory bulb in your nose can only take in so many scent molecules before it overflows. It's like a socket and a plug. You can only put so many plugs into a socket. So why I love this diffuser is that you can very quickly set it up by locking in up to 4 different oils, which when you're sick, the last thing that you want to do is deal with water and a messy diffuser and all of that stuff. This made it so easy for me. And I plugged it in my closet so it was next to our bed, and you can set it up to diffuse for 2, 5, 10, or 20 seconds every 5, 10, 30, or 60 seconds for 10, 30, 60, or 8 hours. And we did the 8 hours with short bursts spread out so that the olfactory bulb has time to catch up and so that you're not overwhelming your system. You can also make it look pretty, with the lights if you want to, but when I'm sick, I don't want that. And then you just turn it on here with these. So this diffuser is on sale, 30% off, essential oils 30% off, and free shipping this weekend. So the specific oils that I used in here are ones that are supportive for respiration, but also rest. So I used lavender to help us sleep, but I also have balsam fir in here to help open up the respiratory system and support healthy breathing. I have eucalyptus in here, which is really, really great for antimicrobial and again, opening up the breathing passages. And then frankincense is balsamic to the lungs and can really soothe the lungs. And I was having a lot of coughing, and I really believe that this helped. I also have compromised immunity from biotoxin illness, and so I'm always looking for anything that's going to give me an edge when I get ill. And I really believe that this time this helped me almost more than anything else that I did. My husband got sick after me, and he never really did get as sick as me, partly because he doesn't have the compromised immunity, but partly because I had this dialed in.